Z-Cubes, ZOS. The Z-Cubes language interface is available from www.zcubes.com. The Z-Cubes application console gives you direct access to the language interface. 2 plus 8 gives us 10. Likewise, 3 times, in parentheses, 3 times 3 plus 1 divided by 2 gives us 15. Expressions and operator functions are functional left to right infix notation. Parentheses are used to make the expressions readable and to dictate the order of evaluation. It is possible to assign the data and the functions as stored variables and reuse them in other computations. A equals 2 plus 8 is 10, and 10 is stored and reusable by the name A as well. In another computation, now we can say A plus, in parentheses, 3 times 2 to get 16. Data and functions are used in multiple ways. 80 dot dot 90 applied to d sine. So this gives us the sine values for the degrees 80 through 9. We could have used the same thing the other way around as well, such as d sine applied to degrees 80 through 90, and we get the same result. Obviously, we could have used assigned variables as well, such as a is reassigned 1 through 4, and this time we could have said sine at a to get what? 1 through 4 radians sine values. So sine is computed for the radians 1 through 4. We could have said a at sine as well. We can complicate this even further. 1 dot dot 360 applied to, in square bracket, d sine comma d cosine. So this time 1 through is 360 degrees. One column gives the sine values, while the following column, the next column, gives the cosine value. We could have used it again, as always, the other way around as well, such as the functions are listed and applied to 1 dot dot 360 to get the similar result. It can also be used for unnamed functions similarly as well. This time 1 dot dot 100 applied to, in square brackets, the first function is quoted as x by 2, and the following one is, let's say, x squared this time minus 2x plus 1. And we get the result 1 through 100. First function is in the first column, and the second function results are in the following column. We could have reused the computation similarly as well, such as we can say our functions are stored in the variable e, and if you notice, two functions are stored in the name e. What can we do with this? Similarly, 1 through 100 at e applies to e functions, the data 1 through 100, or we could have said the functions are applied to 1 dot dot 100 and get the results. You can find more videos and learn more about the Z-Cube language and a lot more at www.zcubes.com.